We're headed into Toys R Us. A new one!
A new Despicable Me. You actually make the minions in this one. So you have the mold and you shape the minions and then you decorate them.
The other pony set we found too.
Yeah, which we haven't done yet, but we'll get around to it.
Oh,
yeah,
cool.
That's cool. Well, you mold the minions and then you can
make the minion and then you can decorate
fill in the other accessories. This is what, $13?
Oh, that's not bad.
And then they also have, because I'm actually kind of digging these, another can heads. So this one's Captain America and Iron Man.
Oh, it's got an extruder.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Pretty simple set. It's only $7. So.
Oh, that's not bad.
But yeah, I think these can head sets are cool. So 2 more new
Play-Dohs.
sets. This is what I like to see.
Look at this.
12 packs, baskets,
all kinds
all
of stuff.
And
a game.
A Shopkins game.
Pop and race game. So it looks like you go around, and we've been enjoying playing games lately, and you guys seem to like those videos. So we're gonna definitely get a Shopkins.
That's so cool.
Game.
So it's just a little. It's a very simple. It's what's the original game?
Trouble.
Trouble.
Like
that's
Trouble?
what I thought it was called.
Yeah. Or
so
sorry,
like the original.
Trouble.
Yeah.
Trouble. And it's only $9.99.
So yeah, the game's $10. What's the back of the box looks like?
Instructions and whatnot. It's got
I don't think you don't get any characters in it, right?
It doesn't look like it.
So it's just the simple game.
Yeah, just a game.
But yeah, we're gonna get that. Play a Shopkins game.
It's on.
Oh no! What is that? Frozen Olaf flashlight. I don't know, it's not very bright.
Oh,
I don't know if that's gonna see in the dark.
That's okay.
It's just funny that his head.
Just like a kid's one.
It's $8. Wow. I don't know. It's the little pull handle. Go hunting in the dark. Ah.
DigiChicks.
I had just heard about these yesterday too.
Cute. Look at
So
them.
if you guys remember, we did the Digibirds, like the single birds, which they've got a whole bunch of new ones now.
They sing solo or in a choir, just like the Digibirds. And look, they're in like a little egg.
Chicks.
Oh, they're
There's
so
a pretty
cute.
good assortment of colors.
That's perfect for like Easter coming up.
Oh, no kidding. That's a great thing to put in an Easter basket.
Easter basket.
Little DigiChicks, they're $10 each, which caged Digibirds are $15, and even how much are these? I don't know how much the individual Digibirds are. Maybe they're 10.
They might be 10 or 15. I like the yellow one. Oh, these are
Yellow
so
with hearts.
cute.
They got a pink.
Oh, look, they got a whole checklist on the back of the different
there
ones.
you go. So there's six different ones.
Those are adorable.
Purple, orange. You know which one I'm getting?
Green? Blue?
The one with
Saturn
and
on it.
glasses.
Oh,
that one's so
cool. It's got glasses. Oh, that's so cute.
So yeah, Digibirds.
Adorable.
Or DigiChicks. DigiChicks. So I am really digging the Imaginext and the Playskool Heroes sets. This is a new Star Trek armor. So this is, I think, come in the new maybe Avengers movie, where you've got Hulk and he attacks Tony in his mech suit. So yeah, these are really cool. I like the little figures in them. They're just fun little toys. Kind of like the toddler stuff. They've got a Captain America set. I mean, literally just tons of stuff. The AT-AT Walker, Star Wars stuff. They even got Ninja Turtle stuff. The new, somewhat newish rescue bots, which are really cool. Just like all these kinds of stuff. So I think I'm gonna do reviews on more of this stuff, Transformers. But I'm gonna pick this one up, I think, just because it's somewhat, really new. And it's $20. But yeah, these Playskool Hero sets are really cool. Especially the AT-AT. Come on. And it even makes sounds. Oh no, it doesn't. Let's try a different one. Somebody make the sound. I love this set. It's so cool. So right next door to the DigiChicks.
Little live pets.
New little
and
live
they
pets.
have the owl and the baby, so you get 2 birds in this. Oh, look. Oh, they kind of like kiss and talk. Wow.
You want to do a toy review on that one?
You want one of those?
So it looks like they've got 3 colors. They got a white, a blue, and I saw pink in there somewhere.
That's a lot of pink. That's really pink.
Those are kind of neat. They're $20, and actually right now Toys R Us has a sale going, so 20% off.
Oh, you like
Oh, you're gonna like playing with those, aren't you?
She's gonna like this. She loves our Digibirds.
Yep.
She's gonna
Still
love
plays
these
with it.
birds. Yeah. So we're going to pick up a little live
Yep.
pet.
So we got live pets coming. We got DigiChicks coming. I guess that's all the stuff that talks.
That's all. Well, that's all they have right now. But there's supposed to be all new stuff coming.
Should we?
Happy surprise.
Should we?
Maybe.
That one doesn't look very
That
fat.
one doesn't look fat enough to me.
We do have some white ones down there.
That's so funny. I know. She loves it.
I heard these were coming out.
Oh my gosh.
These are the Justice League figures by Schleich.
Wow.
The only 2 they have are Superman and Flash right now, but
Those
they are
are
coming out
cool.
with all of them. So I'm totally grabbing these. They're $10 each. Yeah, like Superman was tucked around the corner. The only ones I see.
Got the Slice section.
Heard about these. Love Schleich, and I'm a huge DC
Yeah,
Comics fan,
we
especially
love
Flash
Schleich.
and Superman. So I'm picking.
Awesome.
I'm grabbing these just because. Because they're cool. Yeah, they're $10 each, which isn't bad for Schleich.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah, like even the bigger sets are like $10. So, oh, I guess I need to go look through there and see if they got other figures
Tucked in somewhere.
Yep, look.
Nuh-uh. Oh,
Batman.
Batman. Found a Batman on camera.
Oh, great. Now I'm
Now you gotta dig.
because they're like everywhere.
Hunt.
Here.
This is a toy hunt.
Hunting. I gotta
Start
go
hunt.
actual hunting now. I have been looking for this for months. These are the Toy Story aliens, and they have 3 of them. So 3 different mouths.
So cute.
I have wanted this mouth for like ever.
It glows in the dark.
And they don't have it. They didn't have it. So I had these 2 like for months. I've been looking. They finally have that one in. And I didn't even know they glow in the dark till you just now said that.
Really?
I've been keeping my
It
eye
says
on
on
these.
right on the little Saturn.
Well, I haven't
glow
looked
in
at
the dark.
that. I just keep looking because I want the one with.
Ooh.
They have them.
Yay.
So I think they're $15.
That's what it looks like.
Yep.
$14.99.
So I'm definitely picking one up now for sure because it glows in the dark.
Well, yeah, we love stuff that glows in the dark.
So cool! Yay! Okay, so here's what we got today. So go.
We got the owl little life pets, the mama, what's it called? Mama and baby? Owl and baby. So we got the owl and baby in the pretty blue. Michael got his space alien from Toy Story, which we found out glows in the dark. The DigiChicks, we had to pick up one of those because they are just so cute.
Yep, I'm curious to see those.
Kind of wishing I would have got that yellow one.
Oh, we could probably always do that in another one.
Yeah.
Shopkins game. It's called Pop and Race, but it's like Trouble if you've ever played it, where you pop it.
Yeah. And then you try to
go
get around the board.
Yep.
So we'll be playing that against one another.
Despicable Me Play-Doh set. This is the one where you form the minions, which is really cool. Another one of the Marvel can heads. This is Captain America and Iron Man. I also got my 3 Schleich so far. I got Superman, Flash, and Batman. So hopefully I'll be able to find Cyborg, Wonder Woman, and Aquaman. Oh, Green Lantern. I'll get Green Lantern. Even though me and Green Lantern have a thing. I'll get it. But these are so cool.
To find those.
Yeah, I was so excited to get these when I first heard they were coming out.
The Batman, which was
Yeah.
tucked away.
Way down on the shelf, yeah.
Hidden away.
So yeah, I guess we did some good stuff.
Yeah, we did well.
What are you guys looking forward to? What video are you looking forward to seeing the most? I bet it's going to be the Shopkins game.
You guys seem to like the game ones, so.
Yeah, and plus it's Shopkins.
Yeah.
People are going to freak when they hear that. I didn't know they made a game.
Ah.
Must be, yeah, I mean, it's like totally new. I just heard about it like about a week ago or something. So yeah, I guess lots of more videos coming soon. So thanks for watching, guys.
Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.